We are here talking nonsense. What kind of nonsense is that? What kind of nonsense is that? Shut that office. We don't need it. We need hospital. We are here talking nonsense. What kind of nonsense is that? What kind of nonsense is that? Shut that office. We don't need it. We need hospitals, we need schools. Look at the rubbish roads we have, and you are opening a day pool for what nonsense? Take your nonsense away. Ezekiel 13 verse 2. Office for the other. You talking nonsense like that? Huh? Go to verse 3. My message is there. Woe unto the foolish prophets who follow their own spirits, who have seen nothing. Money a big officer moms who be in this what kind of nonsense? You better shut that nonsensical office. Since when papa, let me tell you, a D4 pair will be minimum. They are not on social media, they are not on television. They don't even want a picture from you. Now, Mama Tiasma BA office, one kind of nonsense is that. Since when in Yami BA office or Jim comes? Shut that nonsense! And let us look at ways we can stop galamsey, ways we can build roads, ways we can build hospitals. Look at the way false prophets have misled this nation. Look at the number of people that prophesied for the vice president. You'll be a president, you'll be a president. If you don't become a president, then I'm not a prophet. Of course you are not a prophet. Of course you are not a prophet. Nyame ben was sorry I would think huh? And the Lord has given you the country, the Lord is with you, the Lord has said, the Lord. Monkanchida wo musubanye kuta wo mono. Na wo monsachire free suben fi suban fon kankano. No mon fa no krene nante. Enu mom ne ye adwuma. And that this that. Remember me ga some job. Se nyame kasa se obi ye MP. Opa reg enchine bottom ma. He will be. And yes, I'm commissioner. Ube we need power, but I have my power. And not actually saying. No, what do you make actually saying? Ube we need my power. Actually saying. When we be away, we need our power. Yamin Casasa. Yamin on Casa. You are Casa. Back. Finish. Mese me call them my general. Ne patient free and pass over here from say him. Or the horse 40 minutes. Me call Achimota Hospital. Here, 5 nurses, 1 doctor. They were on tablet. And the patient was lying next to us. Me. And these ones were giggling on the internet. She uniform, you are so heartless. Most of you nurses and most of you doctors are so heartless. We are here talking nonsense. What kind of nonsense is that? Mim kwasi ankom shankrofo person mo hye. There will be any niswadi ho famra team. What me se me ko tema general. Ne patient free and pass over here from say him or the host. Personally, I don't believe in that 31st prophetic, only comes 31st night and saying ya menwa or not the 31st night and kwan or kasamere no, because mentiasia. The Bible said once God is spoken, twice we have heard that all dominion power belongs to God. Prekune uradia kasa emprenu ena yatie se 2 million woden ye nyamedia. Intimentias yes say itimi twa say 31st and then possibly maybe we want it to be per se a year solidified or configured to a particular time near disseminate assemno. But if nyame wakasa de bia te said ye me maami no wakase won twen brunya bosome no anase bia wo pepon bosome nuru ansan wa baba be tretre ni resolution. De bia you need to assess yourself, analytically assess yourself every day. Yes, you can simbi na no in a parable. And then in that parabolical stand, he said, we would have been, of course, would diabo be true, no, would diabo mediabum, or cause or copesua about when you be the kind of tosumi and only the tosumians. You will be set to move for and said, you didn't in a maba conosa, ya me pa about you would be a tsunaminia. Captain, dear Bentina, yes, as the agentenso. So, Dromu have one say, Buddha, Maninsua Febaco, Namin through Francia and Muasia Sumra, Ibiana Fie Aswaba. But the interesting thing was that Sa Feno, Sebiana Radidiame, when Yamenu Awama wa Feno, every day is a day of lesson. You need to learn something out of it. God is speaking every day. Minim se when yami wa Kenya till the 31st of December no ababi jai ba akumi nubiatum. I don't believe in that. Now, maybe yes, we are making predictive and as foretelling predictions towards the coming year. Fine, but adia ba akuma met me a catchy will be our way. When yame Eniaman 9, O Peso of the word that the counsel that comes out of the mouth of the Lord. It can be segmented or structured in 4 spectrums. Number 1, edification or inspiration. When your mission will be crying to say, Minian, be a serious mumpo when it does was we can as well with pump into us half feel. It's any that's all who be that inspiration. Sankoya mu bia and it has so when yamia samno it will be segmented say was shown could I show dene dear uncle ye ready for one more tony ma bodu kuya for one more couple dear maybe away he will bring you a word of inspiration, then he will bring you a word of caution. When yamia sembia bokoko bokoko ahehwe yi obia when yamishira no atwere simri hu